Here's how you can play Assassin's Creed Shadows on a Mac for free. Stick with me, because the last method is the easiest way to get in without paying a cent. Assassin's Creed Shadows is launching on PC and consoles, but Mac players can still get access through cloud gaming. Services like GeForce Now let you stream the full game on your Mac, and they offer a free tier with limited hours each day. Link your Ubisoft or Steam account, and you're playing without buying extra hardware. If you're on Xbox Cloud Gaming, Shadows may also rotate into Game Pass at launch or shortly after. New users can grab a $1 or bundled free trial, which means you can stream the game directly in your browser on Mac without downloading anything. And here's the trick most players miss: check Ubisoft's own promotions. Around big Assassin's Creed launches, Ubisoft often runs limited free trial weekends or timed demos. These are usually playable on cloud platforms, which means Mac users get in free while the promo is live. If this works for you, or if you found another legit method, let me know in the comments. And here's a tip: hit that like and sub if it helped, because I'll keep dropping the fastest ways to play new releases free. If you found this video to be short and to the point, please hit that like and subscribe. It's free, no commitments.